Max Brambilla. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon based in Milano, and I'm very happy to be part of the ECAMS family and the ECAMS trainers. So the ECAM course on laser liposuction is divided in two parts. The first one that is dedicated to theory and that can be completed online, that has to be completed online, and then the second one that is a hands-on course, so with live surgery, live training. The old concept of liposuction turned into the concept of body contouring. It means that there is almost no area that cannot benefit from a liposuction or lipotightening, starting from the ankles, the inner thigh, the trunk, the abdomen, the chest, female and male, and the arms, and then even the neck, of course. And then which are the areas that can benefit from fat grafting? Well, of course, the gluteal area, the breast, but not just that. Even all the scars may be treated with very good results with fat. And then the genital, and not just labia majora, but I'm talking about the vulva and the vagina as well. And then, more than that, the face. Because on the face, we may use different kind of cells, different kind of clusters in order to achieve the best results. It means that in certain areas we use microfat, in other areas some nanofat, in other again some ultra nano. So according to the area, we will go with one product or to the other.
Today was my first day in the course. I am really happy that I decided to join the course. It was really amazing. At the beginning I was a little afraid, a little shy, but it was really perfect day. I learned a lot. The teacher was really amazing. He cleared me every step by step, and he let me also doing and working with him. It was really amazing. I am really happy, and now I am with more knowledge and more confidence when I am coming back to Israel, to my country, and starting to do what I learned here in the course.
I've been having Lipolife for 3 years, and Lipolife was done by the plastic surgeon in our clinic. But I thought that I would definitely want to study abroad to learn more from the real specialist. And here I am, and this is working so much. And now that I won't have to hire any plastic surgeon, I can do it on my own. Every detail was taught here, and I can bring all the things back to Japan.
Never touch a patient without doing this course, without really being here. Very intensive, 3 days, but when you see lots of procedures, you participate, you get lots of information, and you can ask anything, and you get, I think it's necessary, it's not just recommended.